Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively use the Ghost in Valorant. The Ghost is a versatile sidearm, costing just 800 creds, making it a fantastic choice for pistol and eco rounds. It holds 15 rounds in its magazine and 60 in reserve. Its silenced shots are a huge advantage, allowing you to take down enemies quietly without giving away your location on the map. This makes it perfect for flanking or holding tight angles. Understanding the Ghost's strengths and weaknesses is key. Its primary strength is the 105 headshot damage it deals within 30 meters, making it a one-shot kill against unarmored opponents. It also boasts a rapid fire rate of 6.75 rounds per second. However, its damage drops significantly past 30 meters, and its small 15-round magazine means you must be accurate. Avoid long-range engagements where possible. To use the Ghost effectively, always aim for the head. Within 30 meters, a headshot is a guaranteed kill against unarmored foes, and even against armored enemies, it deals significant damage. Leverage its silenced nature for sneaky plays, flanking routes, and catching enemies off guard. Stick to close to medium-range engagements where its damage output is highest. Combine it with agent abilities that force close-quarters combat for maximum impact. For advanced Ghost usage, consistent practice is essential. Focus on improving your crosshair placement so your first shot is always aimed at the head. Master your movement and strafing techniques to become a more elusive target while firing. Understand its slight recoil pattern to land accurate follow-up shots if your first misses. The Ghost is excellent for securing early picks in rounds, giving your team a crucial numbers and economic advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.